In a world where health often takes a back seat, surprising revelations can change everything. Imagine a simple act, often whispered about in secret, holding the key to better prostate health. What if daily habits could boost your body's detoxification processes? The prostate, a small but mighty gland, plays a crucial role in male health. Yet, many overlook its importance until issues arise. Recent studies suggest a direct link between daily ejaculation and enhanced detoxification efficiency of the prostate. This connection may not just be a coincidence, it could be a game changer for men everywhere. How does this work? What happens to the body during those moments of release, and how does it impact prostate health? As we dive deeper, the connection between regular masturbation and improved detoxification will unfold. Could these strange changes lead to a healthier future? Stay tuned, because the insights ahead might just shift your perspective on self-care. Plus, there are simple tips you can incorporate into your daily routine to further enhance your prostate health. Curious yet? Let's unravel the mysteries together. Biological mechanisms of ejaculation and prostate detoxification. Ejaculation plays a pivotal role in the male reproductive system, and interestingly, it can also influence prostate health. Regular ejaculation may help clear out some of the substances that can build up in the prostate. This process can be seen as a natural detoxification mechanism. When a man ejaculates, he expels fluid that can contain toxins and other byproducts of metabolism. Over time, this may contribute to a healthier prostate environment. Moreover, the act of ejaculation stimulates various biological processes. The rhythmic contractions during ejaculation help to pump fluid out of the prostate, which could potentially remove harmful materials. This cleansing effect can reduce the risk of inflammation or other issues related to prostate health. Thus, maintaining a regular pattern of ejaculation may be beneficial for the prostate. Additionally, studies suggest that men who ejaculate more frequently tend to have lower risks of developing prostate issues later in life. The biological rationale behind this could be that regular ejaculation helps maintain optimal prostate function and reduces the likelihood of blockages or buildup of harmful substances. In essence, the connection between ejaculation and prostate detoxification is significant. By promoting a regular sexual activity pattern, men may support their prostate health. It might seem like a straightforward relationship, but it underscores the importance of understanding how our bodies function. Lastly, the benefits of regular ejaculation extend beyond just physical health. It can also have psychological benefits, contributing to overall well-being and reducing stress. This holistic approach to health can further enhance the positive effects on the prostate. Effects of daily masturbation on prostate health. Daily masturbation can have a variety of effects on prostate health, both directly and indirectly. Engaging in this activity helps maintain the prostate's function, and studies indicate it may lower the risk of prostate-related diseases. One of the primary benefits is that it encourages regular ejaculation, similar to sexual intercourse. Moreover, masturbation can help regulate hormones. By stimulating the prostate, it encourages the production of healthy fluids and may assist in balancing hormone levels, particularly testosterone. This hormonal balance can play a crucial role in maintaining prostate health and reducing the risk of developing issues. The psychological aspect of daily masturbation should also be considered. It can serve as a stress reliever, which is essential for overall health. When stress levels decrease, the body can function more efficiently, and this can have positive ripple effects on the prostate. Lower stress levels may contribute to better hormonal regulation, which is beneficial for prostate health. Additionally, daily masturbation can enhance sexual function and libido, leading to improved overall sexual health. This positive sexual health can encourage a more active lifestyle, which indirectly supports prostate health. In summary, daily masturbation can be a simple yet effective way to promote prostate health. By fostering regular ejaculation and supporting hormonal balance, it contributes to overall well-being and potentially reduces the risk of prostate problems. Relationship between hormone levels and prostate detoxification. Hormones play a significant role in the health of the prostate, particularly testosterone. The levels of this hormone can be influenced by various factors, including sexual activity and masturbation. Regular ejaculation through masturbation can help maintain healthy testosterone levels, which are vital for prostate function. When testosterone levels are balanced, the prostate can operate more efficiently. This balance is essential because both low and excessively high levels of testosterone can lead to prostate issues. For instance, low testosterone may result in reduced prostate fluid production, while high levels can contribute to prostate enlargement or other problems. Moreover, the act of masturbation can stimulate the production of hormones that promote prostate health. This hormonal stimulation can facilitate the detoxification process, helping to clear out potentially harmful substances that accumulate in the prostate over time. The interaction between hormones and prostate health is complex, but it is clear that maintaining healthy hormone levels is crucial. Men who engage in regular masturbation may find that they support not only their sexual health but also their prostate's well-being through better hormonal regulation. Ultimately, understanding the relationship between hormone levels and prostate detoxification can empower men to take proactive steps in managing their health. By prioritizing regular sexual activity, they may improve their overall prostate health and reduce the risk of future complications. Epidemiological studies on masturbation and prostate health. Research into the relationship between masturbation frequency and prostate health has revealed some interesting insights. Several epidemiological studies have suggested that men who engage in regular masturbation might have a lower incidence of prostate issues. These issues can include benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, and even prostate cancer. The findings indicate that frequent ejaculation through masturbation could be linked to a decreased risk of these conditions. Interestingly, some studies have shown that men who masturbate more often tend to have healthier prostates. The data collected from diverse populations suggests that regular sexual activity, including masturbation, may help in flushing out potential carcinogens and reducing inflammation in the prostate. This implies that there might be a protective effect associated with regular ejaculation, potentially contributing to healthier prostate tissue. Moreover, the studies often consider various factors, including age and lifestyle, to understand the broader picture. For instance, younger men who masturbate frequently may establish a beneficial pattern that could carry into later life, possibly reducing their risk of prostate-related illnesses. It's essential to note, however, that while these correlations exist, they do not imply causation. In addition, researchers are continuously examining how these patterns hold true across different demographics. Some studies focus on specific age groups or ethnic backgrounds, leading to a more nuanced understanding of the relationship between masturbation frequency and prostate health. This ongoing research highlights the importance of considering individual differences when interpreting results. Overall, the evidence from these epidemiological studies suggests a potential link between regular masturbation and a lower risk of prostate health issues. While more research is needed to establish definitive conclusions, the current findings provide a promising perspective on the benefits of masturbation for prostate health. Impact of lifestyle on prostate health and detoxification. When it comes to prostate health, lifestyle choices play a significant role. A well-balanced diet, regular exercise, and effective stress management can complement the benefits associated with masturbation. For instance, a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats can provide essential nutrients that support prostate health. Foods high in antioxidants may help combat oxidative stress in prostate cells, potentially reducing the risk of diseases. Exercise is another crucial factor. Regular physical activity not only helps maintain a healthy weight but also improves blood circulation. Enhanced blood flow can support overall prostate function and may even aid in the detoxification process. Engaging in activities such as jogging, swimming, or even brisk walking can contribute positively to prostate health. Moreover, managing stress is vital for maintaining hormonal balance. High stress levels can lead to hormonal imbalances, which may negatively impact prostate health. Techniques such as mindfulness, yoga, and meditation can be beneficial in keeping stress levels in check. A calmer mind can lead to a healthier body, supporting the overall functioning of the prostate. Additionally, combining these lifestyle habits with regular masturbation may create a synergistic effect. The positive outcomes of a healthy lifestyle can enhance the potential benefits gained from ejaculation. This holistic approach encourages men to take charge of their prostate health actively. In conclusion, lifestyle choices significantly influence prostate health and can enhance the detoxification process. By adopting a healthy diet, staying active, and managing stress, men can support their prostate health in conjunction with the benefits of regular masturbation, ejaculation, and elimination of toxins in the prostate. Ejaculation plays a crucial role in maintaining prostate health, particularly when it comes to the elimination of toxins. The prostate gland can accumulate various substances over time, and regular ejaculation is thought to help clear out these unwanted materials. This process not only aids in detoxification but also contributes to the overall functioning of the prostate. Studies suggest that men who ejaculate more frequently may experience fewer issues related to prostate health. The mechanism behind this detoxification is relatively straightforward. During ejaculation, the prostate is stimulated, which promotes the expulsion of fluids that may contain harmful substances. This flushing action can potentially reduce the risk of inflammation and other prostate-related problems. It's a natural way for the body to keep things running smoothly, much like how regular exercise helps maintain physical fitness. Moreover, the act of ejaculation can also influence the balance of hormones within the body. Hormonal fluctuations can impact various bodily functions, including the health of the prostate. By maintaining regular ejaculation, men may support a healthier hormonal environment, which in turn can aid in the detoxification process. Interestingly, some research has indicated that the frequency of ejaculation might correlate with a lower risk of prostate cancer. While more studies are needed to establish a definitive link, the idea is that regular ejaculation may help reduce the buildup of potentially harmful substances, contributing to better long-term health outcomes for the prostate. Ultimately, understanding the connection between ejaculation and toxin elimination provides valuable insights into maintaining prostate health. Incorporating this knowledge into daily practices can empower men to take proactive steps toward their overall well-being. Practical recommendations for optimal prostate health. When it comes to promoting prostate health, there are several practical recommendations that men can incorporate into their daily routines. While regular ejaculation is important, it's equally essential to focus on other lifestyle factors that contribute to overall wellness. A balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats can play a significant role in maintaining prostate health. Foods high in antioxidants can help combat oxidative stress, which is known to affect prostate function. In addition to diet, physical activity is another critical component. Engaging in regular exercise can improve circulation and promote hormonal balance, both of which are beneficial for prostate health. Activities like jogging, swimming, or even brisk walking can make a difference. It's important to find a form of exercise that is enjoyable and sustainable, as consistency is key to reaping the benefits. Managing stress is also vital for maintaining a healthy prostate. Chronic stress can negatively impact hormone levels and overall health, leading to potential issues with the prostate. Practicing relaxation techniques such as yoga, meditation, or deep breathing exercises can help mitigate stress and support a healthier lifestyle. Additionally, regular checkups with a healthcare provider are essential for monitoring prostate health. Men should have open discussions about their health concerns and any changes they may notice. Early detection of potential issues can lead to more effective management and treatment options. By integrating these practical recommendations into daily life, men can enhance the benefits of ejaculation and contribute to the overall health of their prostate. Proactive measures, including diet, exercise, stress management, and regular medical checkups, create a comprehensive approach to maintaining optimal prostate health. As we wrap up today's exploration of the fascinating connection between daily masturbation and prostate detoxification, let's reflect on the key insights we've uncovered. Daily ejaculation isn't just a topic of curiosity, it's a potential game changer for prostate health. By understanding how this practice can enhance detoxification efficiency, we empower ourselves to take charge of our wellness. Think about it. How often do you consider the benefits of your daily habits? Could something as personal as this be a key to preventing prostate issues down the line? Engaging in these discussions is crucial, as awareness leads to healthier choices. Now, let's pivot to practical tips. Incorporating a balanced diet, staying hydrated, and managing stress can further boost your prostate health. What small changes can you implement today? Before we wrap up, we want to hear from you. Have you noticed any changes in your own health practices? Share your experiences in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into sexual health. Keep this conversation going. Your health journey is important, and we're here to support you every step of the way. Remember, knowledge is power, so keep learning and thriving.